Good morning. Today is another day, and we are gonna pour this little pad for this mechanical building. I got the Kubota L2501 here with a little stone. It needs to get empty and off this hill pretty quick. It wants to go the other way. We'll get this done. George and Ray are blocking up the soffits up here and insulating on top of the beams. Should be an easy day. Bucket load of stone in here. I didn't think it would take that much, but Mike and I just realized in my house, this form here where this is going to go is like a foot lower. So now that little mechanical closet that I built is going to hit this window. I think it'll be fine. We're just going to cut like a foot off of it so it'll fit on top of here, but it's kind of our first snafu of building this and hoping it works out on site because this is such a steep hill. Anyways, we'll get this poured and then we'll cut it down. It should be fine. This is going pretty well. This is dried out enough from when we set this tank. I think I could get up here with the Kubota and maybe get some of that lime sand around this tank. I want to start backfilling it now that it's full of water. Today is the solar eclipse, and again, whatever, no big deal, but where we're at here in Kentucky, I think it's about my wife was saying, it's about the perfect location to have, I think they call it totality, 100% totality. Maybe 1 o'clock or so. It'll be good and dark. Looks kind of sketchy. Well, I thought I could get up here on top with that Kubota, but man, it's just all muddy, and the road to get up there is a little bit psychotic. That little machine is not the best for that, so I think we're gonna let this dry out a little more, and probably that big yellow thing sitting right there can reach right over the top here and backfill this whole thing with no problem. So anyways, we were gonna start pouring this pad, but it was going so well, trucking stone in here and everything. The Kubota's making it up the hill. It dried out enough that it's not wanting to flip over, so we went ahead and backfilled this. But I think now we'll get this pad going. Just one at a time. Hand me the ho-ho.
Twinkies don't taste the same, everything's different.
There's probably a bunker full of old Twinkies and ho-hos somewhere.
And they'll probably be good
for the end of time. They'll show up on eBay.
Oh, and then dump it? I've done it.
Never stay in water.
Here we find Steve in his natural habitat, playing with concrete.
That's your go-to line, right? I don't really need to edge this, but I'm gonna. My concrete pad all done. Mike's been putting this door in here, and I got these windows up there that I made for the opening. I'm gonna go get some paint so we can pre-paint the trim. That way we're not up there trying to do it on a ladder. Put it together, probably put them up tomorrow. Getting close for this trip. Doesn't exactly look dark out here. It's upside down.
I never done that. Okay.
You did it backwards, Ray did it upside down. Got it? All right, I want to push it up about a 1/4 inch, Ray, so I can get these shims under it. I think we're way out of level. Or it's exactly perfect, actually. All right, let's do this other one, and we're gonna check it for level. Then I want to measure.
Glasses.
Maybe that paint can's a good illustration of how much of a slope we're on. I feel like it's gonna rain or something. We all got our special glasses, so don't worry. Not that me and Ray don't stare at the sun a lot anyways. I can't see anything. Here, look, you guys wear them. Not so much. Yeah, the clouds are in the way. You can't see nothing now. George and I are here doing a little maintenance on the cabin. We're actually spraying because we get these wood roaches. The wasps have been bad. We found some ants. It's just kind of part of living in the woods here. You know, everything is, well, it's nature, indoors and outdoors, and they don't know the difference. You leave the front door open and those roaches will walk right into the house. But they are not like cockroaches, like kind from a scummy apartment or not cleaning. They're just from the woods. But often our Airbnb guests don't know the difference. It's a little off-putting. So we've done that. We made one major improvement. I want to show you guys. I'll take you in here and show you. This is what we call the auxiliary cabin, like the extra bedroom here. Pac-Man. If I need something to do when it's raining, this is it. You remember how to do this?
It's been a while. Alright, here we go.
She's...
Really like hard to get it to go into position.
Excuses.
I suck. How about that? Yeah, it's definitely like...
Did you think when we were sleeping at the bottom of the hill outside in the dirt in the winter that you'd be playing Pac-Man?
Definitely not. I didn't think it was ever going to end, honestly.
Off-grid living at its finest. So George and I finished our couple duties here, and we're going to take you guys up, and I'm going to show you a pretty awesome place. Should we tell them what the build is?
Not yet.
Not yet. All right, not yet. George says not yet. But we're going to take you up and at least show you where it's going to go. Oh! So this is it. It's kind of, this whole property is built like a, I call it like an amphitheater. And this is the bottom. This is where all the intersections come together of all the roads. A lot of roads from the loggers. So, I get 2 pairs of glasses on. I was making fun of Ray for that earlier. Now I got 2 pairs on. It's getting dark from this eclipse. But I think this is a great spot for our next build. It's not too far up the road. I don't know if you guys can see. Now, you can't see it through the woods, the other cabin. But it's like right there. It's not very far. Probably from George's perspective. Can you see the other cabin?
Oh, yeah.
When the leaves are down. So, you know, but it's still pretty private back here. This is kind of a cool spot here where the creek dips down. We could build a little like bridge to a pergola or something over there. But over here, we'll probably, you know, smooth this hill out, take a couple of these trees down, and obviously we got a lot of junk to clean up in here and burn. George likes that idea.
Good times.
George's a bit of a pyro, so get him a match and some newspaper and he'll make all this look real pretty. I got 2 bad knees. How many bad knees do you have?
0.
0, that's right.
Yes, it was 1.
I'm envious.
It's much better now.
It's been kind of a fun trip here. Fun trip?
Fun trip. Built the whole cabin.
Yeah, we did. We stood it up. Where'd Mike go? You hiding from the camera, Mike?
Something like that.
He's hiding. 2 glasses is hiding. I think we're about done. We're gonna head out in the morning.
Till next time, from Kentucky.
Till next time from Kentucky. George has got his like coined, what do they call that, a catchphrase? Yeah.
Else. That's all I got.
All right, we'll see ya. George and I found this rock up there. I didn't know if it went all the way through or not. So I'm destroying my pocket knife for science. Anybody know what does that? What'd you think it was? Bees? Maybe in wood, probably not in a rock.
No.